Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Enlightenment. Today I have some interesting topic to present. The topic is analysis of state assembly elections whose results were out on 10th of March 2022 last month. States including Punjab, Goa, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So in 4 states BJP won and 1 state Aam Aadmi Party won. So this analysis is precisely on the vote count difference between the candidates of two major party contenders, the party with highest seats and the second party with second highest seats in the state in different constituencies of the state, along with the constituency name and party name who has higher vote in that constituency. So this analysis is done using Robotic Automation Process RPA, and the tool I used is UiPath. So I recently started exploring UiPath in my free time and thought to use this for the analysis. I have basically used a web scraping automation pipeline using UiPath to scrap the Election Commission of India website, this one, and calculate the vote difference. All this analysis will be available as Excel sheet once the pipeline completes. So I'll walk you through that. And well, we can even write web scraping solutions using Python or Java, but this UiPath was so easy to implement. Now elaborating on the analysis, the vote count difference presents us the margin difference between winning candidate and the trailing candidate. Well, I have created the vote difference automation flow for all the states, but in this video that I'll be covering, I have taken into consideration the state of Punjab where the Aam Aadmi Party won. So 92 seats to Aam Aadmi Party, and next major contender Congress with 18 seats. Yeah. So I will now explain the flow. So this is the UiPath Studio community version. So I have created a flow in this. So this is the website that I'll be scraping for the data. This is the website that I have included. This is the website. And next, what I will do, I have created a data table. What I will do, like once I will be scrapping the data, so I will be appending to this data table, and once the data table is ready, I will dump into the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet that I will be appending the vote count differences. This is state Punjab Excel sheet. I'm closing this. As you can see in the bottom of the flow, state Punjab Excel sheet. Here I will be appending the results. So what I have done is, these are all the constituencies, as you can see in the variables, list of all the constituencies which are listed. Yeah, these are all the constituencies, and I will be scrapping this data. So as you can see, what I have done is, I am looking for this DD1AC. So this is actually, I have actually copy pasted the entire source code of this website. So as you can see, this select HTML type has this ID DD1AC. So as you can see, this is select constituency. So this is the ID. So what this will actually be used as a navigation to other pages, other constituencies. So this is like navigation to other this will act as a navigation to next pages. And here what I have done is, from this I have extracted this data: candidate, party, EVM votes, postal votes, total votes, percentage of votes. This one. So I have defined two parameters in this. One is this one. This will filter for Aam Aadmi Party, and this will filter for Congress, which I mentioned, like Congress was the next second powerful contender in Punjab, and Aam Aadmi Party obviously will. So what this will do, this will be calculating the. So what I have done is I am capturing the total votes in both the cases, this one and this one. So I am capturing the total votes, and what I am doing is I am doing the difference. So this is the difference between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress votes. So these are just the checks. These are other things, like I have captured the party name and the constituency name and the candidate name. And once this pipeline completes, everything is written to this state punjab.xlx file. Yeah. So just a second. Yeah, so I will trigger the automation pipeline, and you will see this sheet will be populated with the data. So let me start this process. Yeah, what this will do, this will execute the chrome.exe, and see, this pipeline has started executing. So as I already mentioned, it will iterate over this this particular select constituency parameter. Yeah, let it run completely. I am not fast forwarding this, like I just want you guys to have a view. Let it complete. Then once this is completed, I will then walk you through the Excel file, that is state punjab.xlx file, where the party name, like where actually the vote difference for the candidate, as well as party name, constituency name, everything will be there. And I will also validate the result, like I will also validate the difference of counts which has been captured. This page is actually getting changed on this select drop down button is there, which have this ID. So as I already showed you earlier, on this ID it is iterating over the select constituency names parameters. Yeah, it's almost going to finish. So this automation pipeline is completed, and now I will open this Excel sheet. As you can see, this has been populated with data. It has scrapped the site which I showed you. So site is none other than Election Commission of India site. So what I will do, first I'll explain you this Excel sheet. So what this Excel sheet represents, this is name of the constituency, difference of votes is the difference between Aam Aadmi Party candidate for this constituency. Like it is the difference of votes between Aam Aadmi Party candidate for this constituency minus the Congress candidate for this constituency. Negative sign means, and I have mentioned like party having more votes. So for this constituency, Congress had more votes, around 5,471, and this is the candidate name. So I will also manually validate this. Like you can go here. This constituency is or we can even choose Adhampur. This also have some. This also I can see, like as you can see, Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress has more votes, around 10,607, compared to the candidate of Aam Aadmi Party. And for this Ajnala, Aam Aadmi Party candidate is leading Congress by 9,702 votes. So similarly, the main purpose was to present this vote count differences, mainly to identify the margins where the win was very narrow, like as you can see in this scenario. So this just 249. So the Congress candidate has more votes in this Banga region, around 249 votes. So this is a very less margin, and there are more scenarios where, like for example, see this Jalandhar Central, it is around 247. So Aam Aadmi Party is leading Congress in the vote context of around 247, more than the Congress candidate who got the votes in this region, in this particular constituency. I mean, yeah. So you can use this pipeline like this automation runbook, and this will give you all the constituencies which are there in Punjab and the difference of votes. Aam Aadmi Party minus Congress. Aam Aadmi Party, since Aam Aadmi Party has already won, minus the Congress candidate votes in that constituency. So this you can very easily identify which are the constituencies which have very high margin, very high margin, and the places which have very low margin. You can easily visualize it. Like you can easily go through this Excel and have a check. Yeah. So hope you guys like this video. This is all about this web scrapping solution that I have written using Robotic Process Automation UiPath tool, and I have scrapped this Election Commission of India website, and yeah, so that's pretty much. And I have also validated the data, and yeah, so that's pretty much. And all of this analysis is done by me just to explore a real-time use case of UiPath for web scrapping analysis and analyzing the scrap result. I am not affiliated to any political party, and there is also some possibility that this pipeline gives some wrong results, maybe a minor possibility due to some pipeline code errors. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you would like to see more of these kind of tech contents, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, IT Enlightenment. That's all for today. Thank you very much.